Hi, welcome to Hardy Classics. It's Saturday and the sun's nearly shining, just about. But what is nice today is this. This is a really nice little car. It's a Mk3 1970s Triumph Spitfire, and it's just a beautiful little example of the Mark. First thing that hits you when you look at this car is the bodywork. I love the colour. It's a lovely colour for a British sports car. We've got an MG in iris blue, which is a similar colour. Two iconic British colours in my opinion. And they really bring out the car, especially the chrome on the car. We'll have a quick walk around the car. Start with the bodywork. Like I say, I'm not going to go through it, but you can see straight away around the wheel arches here. Okay. The door gaps here. Nice and straight. Open the door. Inside the door. Down here again. Nice and straight. The sills are nice and straight on it. There's one or two little blemishes on the car which you would expect from an older restoration. Looking at the car, it's been restored obviously at some point in its life. But I think it's been, 1 or 2 years ago. We'll have a walk around the car. Again, chrome work, back bumpers, fantastic. The chrome's in really good condition on the car. And when you go on about chrome, and people think, it's only a chrome bumper. You want these bumpers re-chromed. Don't buy the rubbish ones from India. You want these re-chromed. You'll be talking maybe 200 quid a side to get them re-chromed. And that's if you're lucky. All the chrome work's nice on this car. Moving around this side. The bonnet fits nice. Remember, this is a lift-up bonnet, so the bonnet gap here usually are all over the place, and this one's not. This one's pretty good. The other side door again. Down here. Down the same there. Nice. It'll have had repairs over the years, but again, it just sits nice with nice door gaps. The hood looks like a new addition. The back window here is nice and clear. They're usually all yellow or crazed or split. You can't usually see out them. It's just a great little two-seater sports car, to be fair. We'll have a look in the boot. I'm not going to bore you with underneath the car, because underneath the car's about the same stamp as what the top of the car is, to be fair. It has had some minor repairs over the years, but everything's been done really well. There's a tonneau spare cover in there, spare wheel. We'll have a look inside the car. Not a lot to see in a two-seater British sports car, like, to be fair. As you can see, the seats are nice. There's no rips or tears. And there's quite a bit of room in these cars. I'm a big guy and I can fit in this car no problem at all. And they're surprisingly quick. Like I say, it's the 1970s and it's a Mk3. And once over, the Mk3 was sort of like, it's a Mk3, it's not worth much money. These cars are creeping up, and I predict this car in the next 4 or 5 years is probably going to be one of the cars to keep an eye out on. Right, let's have a look under the bonnet at the power plant. There you go. It's a 1300cc engine being fitted with twin SU carbs. And this car's we know it's been to a garage and the carbs have been set up and it drives really nice. Absolutely immaculate under there. Right, let's get in and fire it up. There you go, beats the key. Really does drive like a modern car, this car. If you need any more information, give us a ring, send us a message, email us. We're on Instagram, YouTube, whatever. And come and have a look at it. You won't be disappointed. It's a really good car. Bye-bye now.